Stop. Don't say, I want pizza at a restaurant.
Wait, why not? That sounds correct.
It's not wrong, but it's not polite. Today, I will teach you the better way.
Yes. By the end of this video, you will order food like a real English speaker. Let's go!
Hi, everyone. I'm Olivia.
And I'm John. Today's lesson, ordering food in English.
This lesson is for beginners. We will use easy words. You will understand everything.
And you will learn 5 simple sentences. Use them next time you eat at a restaurant.
Let's start with the first situation, walking into the restaurant.
You walk into a restaurant. A waiter says, "Hello, how many people?" What do you say? Easy. You say, "2 people, please." Or, "1 person, please." Just say the number and add please. Let's practice. Repeat after me. 2 people, please.
Great! The waiter will say, "Follow me."
Easy, right? Now, let's learn the most important part, ordering your food.
Here is the mistake many beginners make. They say, I want pizza.
This is too direct. It can sound rude. Here is the better way.
Say, can I have a pizza, please?
Or, I would like a pizza, please. Both are polite and correct. Let's repeat together. Can I have a pizza, please?
Now, what if the waiter asks, anything to drink?
You answer the same way. Can I have a water, please? Or, I would like a juice, please.
Remember this pattern. Can I have food or drink, please? You can use it for anything on the menu.
This one pattern will help you order any food in any restaurant in the world.
Sometimes the menu has difficult words. What do you say?
Easy. Say, "What is this, please?" and point to the menu.
Or a more polite way, can you explain this dish, please?
The waiter will help you. This is a normal question. Don't feel shy.
Let's repeat. What is this, please?
If you don't hear the waiter clearly, say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
This is very useful. Native speakers say this all the time too.
You finished eating. Now, how do you pay?
Say, can I have the bill, please?
In America, people often say check instead of bill. Both words are correct.
So you can say, can I have the check, please? Same meaning.
If you want to pay by card, say, "Can I pay by card?"
If you want to pay with cash, say, can I pay with cash?
Let's repeat the most important sentence. Can I have the bill, please?
Let's review the 5 sentences from today.
Number 1, 2 people, please, for when you arrive.
Number 2, can I have, please, for ordering food and drinks?
Number 3, what is this, please, for asking about the menu.
Number 4, sorry, can you repeat that? For when you don't understand.
Number 5, can I have the bill, please, for paying.
Now, quick quiz. You want to order a coffee. What do you say?
Think for 3 seconds. The answer is, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Did you say it correctly? Tell us in the comments. If this lesson helped you, please like this video. It helps us make more lessons for you. And subscribe. Every week, we teach real English for real situations.
We also made 4 short videos about today's lesson. Watch them after this video. Links below.
You are doing great. Keep practicing every day.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.
Bye, everyone.